Hello guys, review smartphone Nokia 6.1, Nokia 6 new. Start unpacking. Open box. And look complementation. Complementation have device. Look him later. In complementation have headphones. Guarantee papers and quick guide. And this. USB Type-C cable. And adapter for charging. That's all. Good complementation, and now talk about the phone. Phone made of metal and glass. On the front side we have 5.5-inch display, talk speaker, front camera and logo. On the left side SIM slot, this slot for 2 nano SIM card or one nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory, combined slot. On the right side power key and volume keys, upside headphones jack. Downside USB Type-C port, speaker and microphone. On the back side fingerprint scanner, logo, camera and LED. Okay. Device load. Device load, okay. Display Full HD, 5.5-inch, IPS matrix. Open Geekbench 4 and talk about system information. Android version 8.1.0. CPU Qualcomm Snapdragon 630. This is octa-core processor of 4+4 cores. First 4 cores work on 1.8 GHz and second 4 cores, powerful cores, work 2.2 GHz. GPU Adreno 508, RAM memory 3 GB, internal memory 32 GB. Okay, look, results, CPU test results, single core score and multi-core score, and GPU test results. Close this, open next test, look onto the benchmark results. Multi-touch test, device support 10 touches, very good. Close this and open demanded game Guitar San Andreas. Graphic level max level and start game. Game works very good on max graphic level without problem. Okay. Close Guitar San Andreas, game works very good. And now talk about camera. Front camera 16 megapixels, front camera 8 megapixels, main camera 16 megapixels. And now I'll show you photos on main camera. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.